you got the New York steak with the how do you like your New York steak?
Medium.
Medium rare. Okay. You want the extra fried rice?
Yes.
Extra fried rice. So you got the Kentucky chicken. How do you like your chicken? So you got the fried rice too. 2 bowl fried rice. Hot spicy?
Yeah.
Hot spicy. Hot spicy?
Yes.
Hot spicy. Okay. Hi, my name is Juan. I'm your server today. So let's get the show on the road. So you big, you drink water, and you're Mexican. You like the hot sauce.